Hello guys, welcome back. In this new video about TikTok, we'll show you how to turn comments on or off. Open the app and go to your profile page. Tap the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy, then choose Privacy Settings. Select the Comments section. Here you have all the comment customization options. To disable comments, select No One, so no one can comment on your videos. All comments on your account are now disabled. To enable comments, select Everyone, so everyone can comment. Tap the arrow at the top to save changes. You can also select Friends, so only your friends can comment. Refresh your profile to check the saved settings. These settings were saved successfully. Now you know how to manage your comments on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.